Winterization checklist. Cold weather is approaching, and it's time to winterize your water systems. Be sure to carefully read and understand the winterization section of your owner's manual before using this checklist. Winterization is done in 3 steps. Step 1. Start by opening the 5 valves of your rear water system. As well as the one located under your kitchen sink. If you have a phantom shower, you'll also need to open the 2 additional valves. Open all the faucets in your van to drain any remaining water from the plumbing and remove all shower hoses. Wait until no more water is draining under the vehicle before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Run your pumps for about 20 seconds. Then, use an air compressor to blow air through each water outlet. It's important to move the water temperature selector through all 3 positions, hot, warm, and cold, while blowing air to ensure all sections of the cartridge are emptied. Winterizing thermostatic shower faucets requires the use of antifreeze. You must add 75 milliliters into the shower hose after removing the shower head. Make sure to add antifreeze to every thermostatic shower faucet. Step 3. Remove the bypass caps underneath your vehicle. Open the gray water valve and turn off the water heater breaker. Remove the cassette toilet from your van. Pour antifreeze into your phantom shower drainage system if your van is equipped with one. Not comfortable winterizing your system yourself? Let our experts take care of your van by booking an appointment on our website, www.vanlifrental.com/service. If you need more information, feel free to contact us at Adelier@vanlifemtl.com.